All right, welcome to Teen Crafternoon. This month we are making these little mini taped canvases. It's a painting, it's super easy to make, and we are using a take and make kit from the Cedar Mill and Bethany libraries to do it. So in your kit, you should have a brown paper bag, a plain white canvas. It is in plastic wrap, so make sure to take that off before you get started, and a roll of washi tape. And you'll also have two individual little paint pots in two random colors, and that's what we'll get started with. So to get started, make sure that you've prepped your work area. I'm going to take out a paper towel so that I'm not getting paint on my desk. If you get real intense with your painting, you might want to make sure that you have paint-friendly clothes too, something you don't mind getting paint on. So to get started, unwrap your canvas, and we're going to take our washi tape, and you can just start making stripes pretty much anywhere you want. This is entirely up to you. You can do them in kind of random patterns. You can make a design. Pretty much anything you do will turn out looking really cool. And I just kind of fold mine over the back and then tear it off. And each time you make a strip of tape, just make sure to rub it so that it's really adhered to the canvas and paint won't leak underneath. You can do diagonals, do straight lines, whatever you want. And if you want the lines on your canvas, you can see on this example one I made, some of them are thin and some of them are thicker. So if you want thicker lines, you just need to layer pieces of tape overlapping each other to make those lines bigger. Like that. You don't have to go all the way across to this one. I'm going to make kind of diagonal, but not all the way across my canvas. Make sure it's really sticking. All right, so you can have as many or few tape lines as you wish. And once you have them the way you want them, you can take your paint and start painting. I think it's always best to start with your lighter colors. If you accidentally paint over a previous color with your second color, it's always better to have dark over light. It's going to be hard to cover up this blue with yellow. And you can paint an entire block a single color. You can do what I did on this example and blend your colors together. You can paint your own designs within the shapes you made with your tape, whatever you want. And I do recommend putting down really light layers of paint. If you glop on a ton of paint at once, it makes the washi tape wet and it will kind of peel it up and get under. You can see on my example, some of my lines aren't perfectly straight because that happens. So it works best if you just do thin layers, keep your paintbrush kind of dry. If you want the color to be brighter, you can always go in and put another layer on after the first one dries. All right, I'm just gonna kind of wipe the excess paint off on my work area here. You can also kind of use your paper bag that the craft came in as a paint palette or a backdrop for your painting if you want. I've got a glass of water off camera here. I just washed off my paintbrush so I'm not mixing colors in my paint pots. I'm gonna do my blue. I'm kind of breaking my own rule and using too much paint at once. All right, so once you've covered all the canvas you want to cover, just gonna paint my edges here, try not to touch the paint on the sides. You want to give this a good long time to dry. If you peel the paint up too quickly, it will, if you peel the tape up too quickly, it will take the paint with it potentially, depending on how thick it's laid on there. So do be careful to let it dry all the way. And then once your painting is completely dry, this is one I did earlier, I went ahead and peeled all of the pieces of tape off of the sides and kind of slowly pull them up, making sure it's not bringing a glob of paint up with it. I've got mine all crisscrossed in the center, so I'm just gonna pull them all into the center. And then you got your painting. So you can do this on pretty much any surface, as long as you'll have extra paint probably once you're finished with this. And it's pretty easy and fun. So let us know if you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you at our next Crafternoon next month.